Hello and welcome to another update video on PENGU. So I asked earlier today which coins you want analyzed on X. You guys asked for several coins including PENGU. So this is one of the videos coming from over there. Feel free to join us there if you want to also determine which coins I cover here on YouTube and on X. Interesting chart because this chart has formed a beautiful 5-wave move up into the September high, a textbook impulse, yeah. And a textbook ABC structure to the downside. Beautiful. Does it mean it has to play out? No, that doesn't mean that. Yesterday, there was a small discussion with someone on our Discord server about, these setups that we see on some altcoins. How reliable are they if Bitcoin is currently in resistance? And I said, look, you can't. I mean, these questions, they make sense, kind of, but then again, you have to take each chart on its own. You can use Bitcoin more like for Bitcoin is still bullish, right? We haven't formed any major top. So as long as Bitcoin is still bullish, whether it's in a resistance area on the smaller time frame or not, as long as Bitcoin hasn't started a bear market and is still in an uptrend, we're rather looking for higher. And if certain altcoins within this environment show decent setups, I mean, they can be traded, whether they will really play out or not. I mean, only the market decides, right? The benefit is that these setups give us parameters, and these parameters are very clear when we're dealing with a 1-2 setup. And then again, we've seen it before that altcoins start to move while Bitcoin is moving sideways or not moving at all or going down, right? It happens. Often they move together, yes, but not always to the same degree. And so there are correlations, but they're not always as simple as people think. So when there is a setup, I'm going to highlight it, right? Some might be more probable than others, right? But overall, we're not bearish yet, okay? There is no confirmation that a bear market has started. I pointed that out many, many times, my friends. So the idea is currently that a fourth wave bottomed here. That's a thesis. Fourth wave bottomed in the support area in September. We saw a 5-wave move up and a 3-wave move down. And then from here, another rally to the upside, yeah? In a third wave, basically. That's the idea. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So that we're working our way higher now in 5 waves. Could we get another low in this wave 2? Yes. Could we maybe still extend this fourth wave? Yes, but it wouldn't be great. If we now come down again, it would look strange. It would really be good. I mean, this really looks like it wants to reverse to the upside, right? That's why I pointed out. But again, this setup really, it has clear parameters. I allow for another dip all the way down to 2.96 cents. The invalidation point is even lower, 2.76 cents. That's the formal invalidation point. That's different to support. That's different to the support area. But still, ideally support holds 2.96 cents. As long as it's holding, the market could now start a move up in a third wave. I highlighted that the 7-cent area would be an ideal target for circa wave 5. In the very short term, wave 3 of circa wave 5 could take us to the 138% extension around 5 cents. 5 cents plus, yeah. So we'll see if that happens. What we now need to see is a break above this swing high at 3.8 cents, which is resistance. And then obviously more upside momentum and a 5-wave move up. This is at the moment a first attempt of a reversal, yeah. It's too early to confirm. We haven't got 5 waves up yet. I need 5 waves on the micro level and a break above 3.8 cents. Then we have a solid confirmation that we're on our way to 5 cents. That's the update on PENGU. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And yeah, also make sure you join us on X. The link is in the description and in the comment section for additional charts, additional updates. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.